wish I was both
handed, cause this here is overriding.
Where you going, kids? If you lived here, you'd be home.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, period. So today, y'all, I'm so lit about the beginning of this video. I just want y'all to know. Y'all just please gotta let me know, okay? Let me know in them comments down below. This light is bright, okay? Gang. So I'm going to prime my eyes with my Morphe eye primer. You see that concentration? Yeah, I always leave the tops off of my stuff, so it just squirted all out when I pressed too hard. But anyways, we're just gonna prime my eyes. So right here, I used red lipstick as a eyeshadow because I didn't have a bright enough red that I wanted to use. So I just put it on my eyelids and blended that baby out, and it blended out beautifully. And right here, I took darker burgundy reddish shade to give myself a little more depth. Just a little bit. Yep. And here is the part that I hate. Okay? I hate this part. Black. I hate it. So I started off with a little bit. Worked my way up. Because I got a lot of blending to do, okay? So that's all I'm doing. Starting off little, blending. It's just a lot of blending with black. And then for when I felt like I was getting ahead of myself, I just took some more of the red shade or the lipstick and blended the line out. And then I took a step back, added more black, and just alternating it back and forth until I achieved the look that I wanted to go for, but I didn't know. So right here, I'm taking my Maybelline concealer and doing a cut crease. And y'all, as I'm going, I had no clue what I wanted to do. So I'm really just doing the eyeshadow however comes to mind. And what came to mind was, let me put white. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put white in my corners. My cut crease is gonna be a white cut crease. So I'm taking the same darker red burgundy color and blending it into the white. And when you put red on top of, or the burgundy red on top of white, it makes purple. You know, you can clearly see that. And I didn't want it to be purple, and my brain wasn't working. Obviously, it wasn't going to be red if I'm putting it over the white. But I liked it, and I still finessed it. So now to give me some depth, I dabbed, and when you hear me, I said I dabbed a bit of black in the crease part, and then I blended it out with a different brush, or with the brush that I had the red color on. So now I'm just putting the white paint pot from Wet n Wild all over my face, and you see how white it is. I don't want it that white, so I'm gonna blend it out afterwards, baby. This video is all about blending, major blending. That's it. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm just contouring my face with some brown bronzer, and I added gray on top of it to give me like a scary feel. So right here I'm just making a circle and filling it in for my red clown nose. And then you'll see in a second that I decided I wanted it, I didn't want the line sharp, I wanted it blurred out. And the rest of my face, I decided to go for a blurred out look. Like, I didn't want it perfect. Like, you know, when you color and you outline the lines, that's why I was like starting to feel like, I'm like, okay, I think I want it like smoked out, and then I'll define the lines wherever I want it defined. So that's all I'm doing right now. Adding a little black because that's what I thought I wanted. And now I'm putting my triangles on my face. I'm outlining where I want it to go so I can get the triangle similar. Dang, see, that's why I can't play. But for this part, I wasn't really trying to get it really neat. I wanted it to look a little smudged and messy. So I'm going in and blurring, you'll see, blurring it out, blending it out, but I'm trying to give it a blur effect. And then I'm gonna go back in and darken the middle of it up just a tad, but I'm gonna keep that blurred out look. Now we are going to put black on our lash line, and we're gonna smoke it out a little. Now we're going to do like upside down triangles. And from the bottom point of the triangle, I went to connect it to my lip on both sides. I filled in the triangles, and now I'm blurring out the lines to give it the same blurred out effect as the triangles above my eyebrows. And of course, bring the black from the lash line down into the triangle. I'm also going to make smaller triangles inside of the triangles on top of my eyebrows. And of course, we are going to blend out those lines. And you see I kind of messed up. And then I messed it up even more because I used the brush I used for black when it was supposed to be red. But it is what it is. Now I'm outlining my lips because I'm going to prepare them for my lipstick because I don't want my lips to be pink, so I made sure it was bright red. Here we go with that lipstick, baby. And I blending some of that out. Oh, look who we have here. My special guest. Now be gone. And of course, a look can't be a look. If we're gonna do a glam it, we have to put eyelashes. Well, that is it, guys. This is my final look. You see that? That's outside. You see how good that looks? Baby. Okay. But if you like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. You like how I did that backwards? So, yeah, you should go ahead and subscribe. You should go ahead and subscribe. Just go ahead and subscribe. And comment. And I know you loved it, so go ahead and do that. Bye.
She doesn't scare anybody. Only me sometimes.
It's an apple tree, and I know how much.
Georgie.
Georgie.
I ain't Georgie. Georgie. Not Georgie.
We're just on our way.
She thinks I'm Georgie. I'm not. Thank you for watching our whole video.
I guess I didn't scare her.